right, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you the two methods we're working on for finding parts of a whole with a fraction. Okay, so first method is using a visual model. So I have 2/5 of 15. This problem is asking me, basically, if I have 15 apples, let's say, and someone says, I only need 2/5 of them, I'm trying to figure out, well, how many apples is that? How many apples would I need to give them? Okay, so the first method is a visual. But before I start that, there are some words I'm going to write next to each number because each number will perform a different role of the problem. So next to the denominator, I'm going to write the word draw. Next to the word 15, I'm going to write dots. And next to number 2, my numerator, I'm going to write circle. And you're going to see how each number plays a very specific role in drawing this out. So my first thing says to draw 5. So I'm going to draw 5 groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I have a total of 15 dots, or like I said earlier, maybe 15 apples. So I'm going to divide up those dots equally among my 5 groups. Now your child might already know that 5 times 3 equals 15 and each group gets 3 automatically. Your child might not know that. If they don't know that, I recommend distributing the apples evenly one at a time. So for example, I could say this one gets 1 apple, this gets 1, this gets 1, this gets 1, and this gets 1. So I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. I'm going to keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? You decide if you need that or not. If you know the multiplication, great. If you don't, then that's how you're going to go one at a time. Okay? So I've drawn 5. I've distributed my 15 dots evenly, and now my last part is to circle 2. I only want to know about 2/5 of the group, so only 2 of the groups is what I'm trying to solve. So I'm going to ask myself, how many dots were there in 2 groups total? I know 3 and 3 makes 6, so 2/5 of 15 equals 6. Okay, so this first way was the visual. The second way is just multiplication. Okay, so down here I'm going to use my denominator and my whole number to find my answer a little quicker possibly. So you're going to ask your child, or ask yourself, students, 5 times what equals 15? Okay, we hopefully already know that that's 3. This number tells me how many are in one group. So one group equals, that's an equal sign, not a Z. One group equals 3. But I want to know how many there are in 2 groups, okay? I want to know how many there are in 2 groups because my numerator says 2. So if I'm looking for 2 groups, I could do this 2 different ways. I could just add 3 plus 3 to get 6. I could do 3 times 2. Whatever your child is comfortable with, whatever method works best for you. But I still end up with the answer of 6. All right, so these are 2 different ways we're solving parts of a whole in class. I hope that this has helped you, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.